How to get free gifts on Temu. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to get easily free gifts on Temu. So the first thing you do is open up your Temu app and make sure that you are logged into your account. But before you even do that, you just need to make sure that you update the app to its latest version. And once the app is up to date, you can just go ahead and open up your Temu app. Make sure that you are logged in. Now all you need to do is head over to the U tab at the bottom. You can usually find it on the center or on the bottom right corner. Just tap on this U tab. And right here you can see different tabs like Review, History, Win Rewards, Address. Go ahead and click on Win Rewards and you can earn free credits and gifts. So here in this case you can see redeem credits and other stuff like that. So what you're gonna have to do is click on this claim free option, just tap on it. And then from here, you can click on this win my gifts. So you can start picking your first free gifts. From these available items, you can choose any gift. So let's say if I just pick the very first option, this USB charger, click on pick this free gift now. And once you have done that, you could also pick your second free gifts. So let's pick the cables for now and then click on pick this free gifts. Select your color and then pick it. And now you could also choose your third free gift. So let's say we just choose this mask and click on pick this gift. And once you have done all of that, you can confirm your gift. And then from here, you will just have to simply invite your friends to redeem these gifts. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.